Hey guys, this is Maria from TVSocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use TikTok Live Center. TikTok Live Center is the platform where you may find everything related to live videos. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use it. Go to your TikTok profile tab and press on the three lines icon in the top right corner. Hit the Creator Tools section in order to open it. Then choose the Live Center option. Here you can review Live Center's updates, access your TikTok live streams analytics, find and rewatch your live video recordings, check whether you had any violations or not, and even go live by clicking on the camera icon in the upper right corner of the screen. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use TikTok Live Center. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TheWaySocial.com.